Mahishasur, a buffalo or Mahisha demon, was the son of the demon king Ramba. He was said to have superhuman powers and sky high ambition. He desperately wanted to defeat the gods. To become invincible, Mahishasur started a long tapasya. He stopped eating and began to pray to Lord Brahma, the creator. His devotion made Brahma feel that he deserved to be rewarded. So, Lord Brahma paid a visit to the demon to grant him a wish. He told Mahishasur that he would grant him one boon. Mahishasur fell at Brahma's feet and thanked him for answering his prayers. He had just one wish, and that was to become immortal. Brahma refused to grant his wish, saying that all living creatures must die and that Mahishasur's wish was an impossible one. This is the law that cannot be violated even by the gods themselves. Mahishasur, without the slightest disappointment, asked for another wish instead, something that he thought would make him as good as immortal. He told Brahma to grant that he should not be killed by a man or a beast or a god. Smiling, Brahma granted his wish, saying that he will be killed by a woman. Mahishasur's laughter filled the three worlds. He did not believe that a mere woman would succeed in killing him. He had been made immortal by Brahma. He thanked the god for granting his wish. He said that he believed himself to be immortal because a woman could not fight or kill a powerful asura like him. Soon, news spread that Mahishasur was invincible and that no one could harm him. After his victory over the people of the earth, Mahishasur turned his attentions towards the heavens to fight the gods. He announced his wish to attack Amaravati, the capital of Lord Indra's heaven. Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva then decided to create a new power, a feminine power, to kill Mahishasur because there was no woman in the three worlds who could do so. The gods all concentrated their energies together to create an invincible woman capable of destroying demon Mahishasur. From their combined power and energy emerged a powerful force. She had 3 eyes and 10 arms. They dressed her in fine clothes and jewelry and gave her their weapons to carry in her multiple arms. She was named Goddess Durga or Mahadevi. Mounting her lion, she set out to destroy Mahishasur. Upon reaching the gates of Amaravati, Durga let out a mighty roar and challenged Mahishasur to battle. Enamored by her beauty and courage, Mahishasur proposed marriage to the goddess. This is also prevalent these days, when a man would propose marriage to a woman in order to defeat her purpose. Goddess Durga laughed at the proposal and declined. Instead, she asked Mahishasur to leave Amaravati or face death. Angered at her rejection, as it usually happens, Mahishasur sent his army to fight Devi Durga, but soon they came back defeated. The demon king realized that he was left with no choice but to fight this brave woman individually. What ensued was a vicious battle between the divine feminine and the superhuman demon. The battle lasted for 9 days and shook the foundations of heaven and earth. Mahishasur, the shape-shifting buffalo demon, tried all the tricks he knew. He kept changing shape to confuse the goddess. From a man, he became a lion, then an elephant. But each time, Durga wounded him severely with her weapons. At the end of the 9th day, Goddess Durga finally killed Mahishasur, who had taken the form of a huge buffalo. She dealt him a death blow to the chest with Lord Shiva's Trishul, thus freeing the world from Mahishasur's demonic ambitions forever. Indra and the other gods returned to the heavens again after Durga's win over Mahishasur. The mission was accomplished. Since then, Ma Durga is worshipped during the Navratri and Durga Puja celebrations, and thus addressed as Mahishasur Mardini. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such content.